So I've been getting a lot of questions around why Vite is the default build tool for SvelteKit now. It used to be Snowpack and it's been changed. Why is that? Hello YouTube. My name is Braden Gerard and today I'm going to tell you why Vite was chosen as a replacement for Snowpack in the default SvelteKit build tool setup. Now, there's a lot of people speculating why this has happened. I know that Snowpack used a lot of inspiration from Svelte when they were working on version 3 of Snowpack. But there was never, I guess, a agreement that Snowpack would be used going forward. It looks like Vite is now going to be the chosen build tool for SvelteKit. And there's a couple of reasons for that that have been verified by some of the maintainers working on SvelteKit. In the Discord the other day, I dug up some information that was being talked about on why Vite has now replaced Snowpack. And the first reason was that it originally wasn't even considered just because Vite 1 was sort of preferential treatment towards Vue. But now Vite 2 is sort of open to be used with any project and there's no preferential treatment towards Vue. So the team decided to look at it. It had some very good features that very closely aligned with what SvelteKit wants to be. And it just seemed to be a very good fit. Now there's a couple specific things that the SvelteKit team really liked about Vite. And one of those things is that it removed a lot of code from the SvelteKit project. So the SvelteKit project before had to do all of its own CSS splitting and all of its own source mapping for stack traces. And because of that, they had to write a whole bunch of code to do that, but Vite has that stuff included. So they were able to remove all of that code. Vite is also rollup based. So it allows anyone who wants to use existing rollup plugins in SvelteKit to put those in and it should just work. And it also allowed the maintainers to remove dependencies from the project, of course, because a lot of them were already included in Vite. So one user on the Discord said that it went from something like 9 dependencies down to 3 dependencies. I haven't verified this yet, but I have noticed that the package.json has way fewer dependencies in it than it did before. The final thing is that there's actually a plugin being worked on right now called the Vite plugin Svelte, and that's what's actually pulling in all of this Vite functionality. So that'll be, I guess, the official plugin that comes with SvelteKit to use Vite as the build tool. So I hope that sort of explained things a little bit for you so that you understand why the decision was made to go from Snowpack to Vite. And we can also verify this if you want to take a look on my Twitter. I actually just retweeted something from Rich Harris where he sort of mentioned some of this stuff in a tweet in a roundabout way. And he also said that there's going to be a beta coming out soon of SvelteKit. So hope everyone's excited for SvelteKit. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let YouTube know you like what I'm doing here. And if you want to catch more of my SvelteKit tutorial videos, then give the channel a subscribe and hang around and there'll be more coming up. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.